Today we are celebrating the anniversary of Evelyn Witkin's important discovery involving DNA repair and mutagenesis. First, a little background on Evelyn. She was born in New York City in 1921, and she died this year in July at 102 years old. She went to school in a few different places, including New York University, where she got her bachelor's degree in biology, her master's, and started her PhD at Columbia University, and Cold Springs Harbor Lab, where she finished her PhD. After acquiring her PhD, she spent a summer pioneering through a new field of biology, involving genetic techniques for working with bacteria. She didn't have just one major discovery because of this new field of biology, but a lot of smaller ones. One of her first major DNA breakthroughs was in 1944 when she isolated a UV radiation-resistant mutant of E. coli. In simple terms, isolating a UV radiation-resistant mutant of the E. coli bacteria means that they found a special type of bacteria that can survive or resist the damaging effects of ultraviolet radiation. This is the first time they've identified a specific genetic change or mutation in the bacteria that allows it to be resistant to UV radiation. This discovery is significant because it helps us understand how organisms can adapt to challenging environments, and it might have practical applications such as in developing more resilient crops or improving methods for handling UV radiation in various industries. She earned a couple of awards in science in her lifetime. One of them, the National Medal of Science, was awarded to her for her important discoveries in the field of biology. She was also awarded the Albert Lasker Basic Medical Research Award, which recognizes outstanding achievements in biomedical science. Another one of the big discoveries in DNA that Evelyn made was the SOS response. The SOS response is a cell's response to DNA damage. She played a huge role in understanding how it works. She discovered a tiny little gene called RECA that acts to show the cells how to use the SOS response. This is important because if we didn't have this response, then our DNA wouldn't repair itself, which could lead to mutations, cell death, and other things like that. Evelyn Witkin, a great scientist that will be known for years to come as one of the pioneers for science in the SOS response and mutagenesis.